Take a rectangle shape. Fill color is gradients color in this artboard. Now again take little rectangle shape for making main logo. Off this fill color and increase the stroke size. And stroke size make it more than 30 or 40 plus pixel. Press save or go to Direct Selection Tools. Select the Direct Selection Tools and click the rectangle shape anchor path and make DX 0 pixel and D 180 pixel. Press save or go to Direct Selection Tools. Select the Direct Selection Tools and click the rectangle shape anchor path and make DX 0 pixel and D 180 pixel. Now expand it. Go to Line Tools for take a line. For delete the unuseful shape. Select all shapes and lines. Then go to Shape Builder Tools for delete the shapes. Delete it. Select the logo shapes and press Alt for copy it. Now rotate it. Make the shapes same. This is our logo, but now it's not complete this logo. We need little more designing. Take a shape for equal the spacing horizontal and vertically. Select all and group it. Press T for go to the Type Tools. Now time to pairing the font. Increase the font. Place the logo tagline vertically. We are designing this logo vertically. And group the logo and tagline. We are choice the Joseph and Sans font. Because this font match the logo. And make it semi-bold. Go to the character panel. And tacking size make it 25. Here is the final logo that I'm designing.